Hi students, myself Vimya KP, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Parasharaja College, Pulpalli. Today class I discuss the topic about IFRS convergence. IFRS convergence in India. India is a set of accounting standards notified by Ministry of Corporate Affairs converged with international financial reporting standards. These accounting standards are formulated by Accounting Standard Board of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Convergence means alignment of the standards of different standard setters with a certain rate of compromise by adopting the requirements of the standards either fully or partially. Indian accounting standards converged with IFRS. India is a set of accounting standards notified by Ministry of Corporate Affairs converged with International Financial Reporting Standards or IFRS. These accounting standards are formulated by Accounting Standard Board of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Benefits of convergence. Beneficial to the economy. If the accounting standards are converged, it will promote international business, increase the inflow of capital into the country. This will lead to India's economic grow and expand. International investing will also mean more capital for domestic companies as well. Beneficial to investors. Financial investments are made using the same set of standards. It is also easier for the investors to understand and analyze them. Promote foreign investment. More transparent. IFRS convergence makes accounting system more transparent. Increase confidence of investors. IFRS convergence makes easier understanding of financial statement. 4. Beneficial to the industry. IFRS allows the industries to lower the cost of foreign capital. IFRS makes the industry easier to enter in the market. Cost saving. IFRS convergence lead to companies can maintaining separate accounting books according to separate standards. This will save a lot of work hours and money for the finance department. Planning and executing auditing will also become easier. These are the benefits of convergence. Thank you for watching.